Maru is a Jouet 1040 motor sailor. She's 6.5 tons. She was modified for sailing in the Baltic and had the addition of the mahogany dodger fitted in Germany for that reason. She's recently been out of the water, re-anti-fouled, and had new bushes and bearings fitted to the rudder. I will add the sales details in the description below. So starting at the bow, we've got the main genoa and furler there. So this is a 110 genoa. We've also got a 120 and a 150 genoa. Behind that we have a furler for a jib, which is a self-tacking jib, but that's a clip-on. We can hoist up and then furl away when not in use for light winds. In the anchor locker we've got a good heavy duty Bruce to a Vitus winch, electric winch, power up and down, and new 10mm chain. There's 30 meters of that, coupled to another 30 meters of rope rod. Coming back towards the mast, we've got the self-tacker set up at the foot of the mast there, and then on the mast there are 4 winches, 3 double speed and 1 single speed. Then onto the boom. This is in boom furling. It's a Sailtainer Top Ref 2000. The sail itself and the boom were new in 2019, although in the start of this year we had a new luff fitted, a Kevlar luff, to help with the ease of raising and lowering. So coming down the wide side steps, we've got the car for the foresails. Coming back to a Lumar 2-speed self-tailing winch, and that's the same on port and starboard side. So everything for the sails comes back. We've got the mainsail winch here and furler on blocks there. This winch is a 2-speed, but it's powered, so that's an electric winch. We've got the sheets for the main at either side. This is the sheet for the self-tacking jib when that's on. Down here, this is the furler for the jib on this side, and here we've got the furler for the genoa. Then we've got 2-speed winches at the stern, and they're for spinnakers. Across the transom we've got slatted seats that drop down. We've got a life raft, we've got davits, and then up there we've got a 200-watt solar panel. On the roof of the solid cockpit we've got again 2 100-watt solar panels. They're wired in parallel. These two mainly keep the starter batteries, winch batteries, bow thruster battery all in check, and the rear one is for the house batteries. On instruments in the cockpit we've got a new standard Horizon DSC radio, wind and depth and log. At the rear helm station we've got a Garmin MFD, Raymarine auto helm. We've got then controls for the bow thruster, and we can operate the anchor windlass from here. The anchor windlass is also operated with a remote wireless, that's the main way of operating the anchor windlass. So going down through the companionway, we have a U-shaped saloon with central table, steps. There's access to the engine, front of the engine, behind the steps. The main access to the engine is actually in the cockpit from the top. And across on the port side we have the galley. with a stand-up fridge. That's 12 volts. It's a motorhome unit with a lockable latched door. That can also be a freezer if you wish to convert it over to be a freezer through its menu system. Further forward, microwave just above the daybed. And across on the starboard side we have the navigation table with storage behind, and an inner helm position. On the starboard side we've got the main heads, new seafloor toilet fitted, shower drain is actually into the bilge, and then forward of the heads into the forward V berth. New memory foam mattresses have been installed in here. Now all of the interior has recently been refitted. It's been taken right back to fiberglass and insulation fitted with new carpeting over the top. Similarly with the rear bulkhead, that's all been stripped back and refurbished. Underneath the steps we have the main isolators for the batteries, engine, main winch, an auxiliary start, anchor winch, and then the house batteries. We also have battery monitor, diesel heater controls, and a little drinky place. Then again into the rear cabin, a rear double. Again, this area has been stripped right back to fiberglass, insulated and resurfaced, and we've got a suede lining to all the top. This was all originally just bare fiberglass. So engine wise, it's a Perkins 4108 4-cylinder, coupled to a Buka sail drive, and propulsion is from a 3-blade Flexor Fold prop. In the engine bay we've also got the diesel heater. We have a twin primary filtration system, so that in an emergency and any engine splutters, we can quickly switch from one filter to the other whilst on the go. Also, for ease of servicing, the oil filter has been moved from the side of the block to the rear of the block, giving excellent access.